Dual graph. Dual graph is nothing but the transpose of the given graph. So in the incident matrix which we have seen previously, see in the incident matrix, rows are vertices and columns are edges. So we have to transpose it. So I have taken the same graph here. Here I have shown it. So the transposes, now the edges become the rows and vertices become the columns. Now we shall fill it. See here edge E1 has three vertices x3, x4 and x5. So 3, 4 and 5. And E2, E1, E2 is 5 and 8. 5 and 8. E2, E3 is 6, 7, 8. E3 is 6, 7, 8. E4 is 2, 3, 7. E4 is 2, 3, 7. E5 is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. E6 is only the 7. 7. Rest are all zeros. So likewise we have to fill the hypergraph. So in this dual graph, the nodes will become E1. So this is the first node. Let me name it as E1. And next is E2. Next is E3. Next is E4. Next is E5. And last is E6. Sorry. So these are the nodes. Now we have to draw the edges. So for connecting the edges, we use x1, x2 till x8. So look at this x1. X1 has 1 over here which is connected to E5. So E5 has one edge. You can draw like this. And look at x2, it has connection with E4 and E5. So E4 is here and E5 is here. It has a connection for x2. So let us draw a line over here which connects, and let us name it as x2. Okay, so again let's make it as font size big. Okay, this is x1. This is x2. Next we shall come back to x3. It's connected with E1 and E4, E1 and E4. Again we shall draw a line from here to here and we shall name it as X3, and X4 has connected with only E1, so this same kind of circle will appear over there. This is X4 and X5 is connected to the 1 to 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. This is X5 and X6 it is E3. This is E3. So like this. It is X6 and X7 is connected to 3 and 4. See 3 and 4. So 3, this is 3 and this is 4. Let's draw a line. And then see it's connected to E6 also. So 3, 4, 6. So let us draw a very big circle over here. So this is edge 7, E7. Sorry, X7. And last one is X8. X8 is connected to E2 and E3. E2 and E3. So it will be a line E2 and E3 and we have to name it as X8. So this is the dual hypergraph. This is the dual hypergraph for this incidence matrix. This incidence matrix we got from the hypergraph, this is the hypergraph and its incident matrix. Its dual form is this one. This is its dual matrix and dual hypergraph. Thank you.